In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to play Ultimate Team with your friend in episode 26. Now the best thing about episode 26 is that it allows you to play crossplay across all game modes, and to ensure that crossplay is enabled, we need to go to settings, and to do that we need to go to the top left corner. Then you'll see this little gear icon. Just go in it. Now we need to go to online settings, then matchmaking options, and from here ensure that crossplay enabled is set as yes. Now we need to go back to the main menu screen and then head over to the Ultimate Team section. From here we need to go to the Play tab. For that you can use RB on Xbox or R1 on PlayStation, like so. And once you go to the play mode, we need to enter the play modes here, and you have a bunch of options to play with your friends in Ultimate Team. If you want to play with your friend in rush mode, then for that just go to the competitive tab, and under it press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation, and from this menu we need to select this plus icon, then invite the friends you wanna play with. So I have a bunch of friends here. I can select any of the friend and I can start playing with them. If your friend is not listed here, then for that go to player search and search your friend's EID, and you can send him an invite, and once he accepts your invite, your friend will be listed on this list and you can simply invite him from here. So this is the first way. In case you wanna play with AI, then for that go to play versus AI tab, and from here you can invite your friend too. For that press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. Again invite your friend by selecting this plus icon option, and you can play with your friend versus AI. If you wanna play head to head versus your friend, then for that go to play versus friend tab in Ultimate Team. Under it we have two options. If you have a friend over, then you can go with the first option, which is couch play. You just have to assign your friend a controller and you can start playing against each other. If you want to play versus online friend, then for that go to play a friend option from here, then enter this play mode, and under it we need to repeat the same process. Select the plus icon and invite your friends into this play versus friend option. So this is the complete process for playing with friends in Ultimate Team. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.